Welcome viewers. After a good video of merging Word files in a single click, my friend requested me to make a video of merging PDF files. I am here to share with you that we will do the same through an app as well as free website. You can purchase it. In case if you don't like to purchase, there are a number of webs and apps available for merging PDF files. I'll also leave a link below for these two. So let's go to the screen. Now we are on Google and we will simply search for an app PDF24. I have already downloaded the same, so this is the first one which appears, so I don't need to download it. In case if you press download it, it will automatically come down and you will see simply download free version. Select the first one, and after selecting the first one it will install, and you can see that it's available on my desktop. This have a lot of variety you can do with the PDF, like convert PDF, organize, merge, etc. So you can do all these with this. Now let's check it. Choose a file and we will locate the file where our multiple PDF files are available. This is PDF folders, and 3, 1, 2, 3. You will note the pictures along with format of text, so you can keep the number or the arrangement by your choice. Therefore, I am selecting one by one. So one will become first and second, and then third one will be the last. Now simply save it, and now our file has been merged, and we will take it to the same folder so we may see each and every item at one place. Now simply save, and let's check it. This is the folder. At the end is the merge folder, and 1, 2, 3 are the separate folder. Please note the font as well as the pictures of each and every file, because I'll show you that the way I would like to arrange 1, 2, 3 are the has been arranged in a way I wish. So this is the first one. Now see part 1. Both are the same. Now let's go for the main file. It's second one, and now it's second one, and last one computer picture and font as well as there we also have the same. So this is a great method if you would like to add it, because 3 of 3 pages are available, and on the other side 1 of 1 page. You can see that. Now let's do it through a free website. So in case if you don't like to download the app, you can do here PDF merge free, PDF merger free, and this is the website which have this option. Select the first one, and same method. In case if it asks for extensions, so you should have to download the extension. And now we will simply do again the previous process which we done. So let's go. These are the previous files. We can select at once. Previously we select one by one, and now again the same order will be taken in place. Now we are going to see ahead. Select the first option, merge files, merge and combine entire PDF anyway. So have a tick over here, and below the option is open. Now you can see 3 of 3 pages are available. Now we are going to merge it, and the process is continue. Now you have seen this file earlier, but we have done this again with the help of the free website. You can also download the same by pressing download, and now let's name it one merged file. So another file of PDF will also be added to the above three files. Let's write online. So we have differentiated the latest file from the previous file. Open the folder. You can see that now all files are available. This is done through free website. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.